welcome to It's a Beautiful Day with Radhika. This is the space where I share natural beauty recipes, quick DIY hacks and lots of tips and tricks with you all. In the self-quarantine period, today I decided to take some time off housework and pamper myself. Growing up, my mom used to often make gram flour based packs. Today, inspired by her, I'm making an instant glow face pack. For the instant glow face pack, we'll require gram flour, turmeric juice, tomato juice, fresh lemon, potato juice, mixing bowl and honey. We'll begin by adding 2 heaped teaspoons of gram flour or besan. Gram flour has been used in India as a natural skin brightener for many years. It removes tan, curbs acne and exfoliates dead skin very easily. Next ingredient, 1 teaspoon of fresh tomato juice. Tomato acts as a natural astringent, it minimizes pores and keeps the skin glowing. Next up, I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric juice. You can also use a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is antibacterial, antifungal, it reduces blemishes. Next up, my favorite ingredient, potato juice. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of this. Now this one helps reduce blemishes, dark spots, moisturizes the skin and is high in antioxidants. Next, let's add half a teaspoon of honey. Honey treats acne. It's also very good for skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. A generous squeeze of lime, rich in vitamin C and a great skin brightener. And finally, mix. The consistency of the pack needs to be that of a thin paste. I've got my sunshine on and so should you. I've evenly applied the face pack all over my face, even my neck. Don't forget to do that. Now keep this on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. Ta-da! My skin feels totally alive, bright and happy. This 2-minute recipe never disappoints. Do try it at home. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy and stay beautiful.